Hi, my name is Gurmeet. I'm the fundamental analyst for Wealth Malaysia. Today I'm going to focus on the gold trend based on fundamental analysis and also technical analysis. Moving forward, for our first fundamental factor, as we could see, Fed is actually expecting in order to increase their interest rate up to 4.6% at the end of this year. We are seeing forward, as we have seen previously, that the current interest rate is at 3.25%. We want to see that how it would be as it will be reaching up to 4.6% at the end of this year. For our second fundamental factor, as we know, we can look at a gross domestic product. And for America, basically, it is expected to grow up to 0.2% this year. And for the following year, for 2023, it will be at 1.2%. For our third fundamental factor that we are looking at, we could see that the US Treasury yield has also risen recently, which is at 3.64%. Looking at all these fundamental factors, we could see that the strength of US dollar is actually bearish. The fundamental range that we are looking at is between 1,600 to 1,700. Moving forward with our technical analysis, as I would show you at the investing.com, as we could see, first and foremostly, we can look at our daily. As we could see at our daily, we have 3 support points and we have 3 resistance points. For our support points, we have 1659.02, 1650.99 and 1638.00. This is the pivot point that we choose on our support based on the Fibonacci. And we're looking forward for our resistance 1, resistance 2 and resistance 3 is at 1685.00, 1693.03 and our resistance 3 is 1706.02. So this is based on Fibonacci. Looking forward at our support and our resistance area, these are the points that we can look at the daily time frame. But we will need to confirm this with the technical indicators that we have, or based on your own technical analysis. As we could see over here, most of the technical indicators are actually supporting more towards strong sell. For more confirmation, what we could do is that we could go to a much higher time frame, such as weekly and also monthly, to see what are the technical indicators indicating. As you could see over here, we can see that the technical indicators insist on a strong sell, where we would actually wait for the resistance points in order to put our confirmation entry for sell. Moving forward, if let's say you would like to have more confirmation on your trend, there are 2 strategy testers that you can use along with one technical indicator that you can use as well, which is linear regression. As you can see over here at the daily chart, you can see the linear regression is showing downwards, which is actually bearish. Moving forward, we can use the strategy tester for RSI and also Bollinger Band in order to see what would be our percent profitable. As we could see, for our Bollinger Band strategy, we have our percent portfolio to be at 62.59 at the daily chart. And as we could see, for our RSI strategy, we would have 57.73% at the daily chart. As we can see, these 2 strategy testers is supporting above 50%, which actually ensures that our trend will be bearish at the daily chart. Moving forward, we could see that our linear regression is supporting along with our strategy tester, along with the information that we have in investing.com. So we will go for a sell. If there is any further updates that you need, kindly contact me, Gurmeet. May you have a great day.